My name is Mayra Esseboom. I'm from Suriname and I'm working as a researcher, doing the research on non-timber forest products at the Center for Agricultural Research in Suriname. If you short, for short, it's CELOS. So the reason that I choose to participate in this workshop is because last year I was a Fulbright Amazonia scholar for Suriname, and I was positioned in a group which is called Bioeconomia. And in that group, in that working group of only 4 persons from the Amazonia, I saw that how many of the communities, how many people are struggling with this. It's really not a new idea, but it's a new topic, an old topic in a new jacket. And you know, and how much we could learn as Amazonia from each other. Because if you look at the Amazonia, we all deal with the same topics. We have illegal gold mining, we have land grabbing, we have land rights, we have very important products that communities offer the world, which are not everywhere accessible, but also very unique to this world. My expectations of these workshops are undescribable. Yes, I think we can build bridges where bridges are not there. We can see visions of other people, of people we don't know personally, but the people who are in these rooms, in this room, are representatives of these people. So we see their visions of other people within their words, within their ideas, within their thoughts. And so my expectations are high. Is the diversity. Okay. Yeah, diversity of cultures, diversity of nature, diversity of people. Like, how can we be one and be at the same time still keep our differences without, you know, going into somebody else. Remain yourself while being connected to somebody else. So we as people view connections as only as the people who are standing here as representing us. But the connections are far much greater, because you go home and you know somebody from Brazil, and you know now me from Suriname, and maybe you'll have a question and you'll discuss it there and you say, hey, I know somebody from Suriname who had the same question, maybe you can contact her. These connections are so much wider and so much broader than we all are thinking. So it gives possibilities, which is connection is giving possibilities to greater things. And I suppose that greater things will be happening. I hope so.